Hello everyone. Want to save money on your next Stockx Pures today? We are going to show you how to get the best Stockx discount codes and unlock some amazing deals. So let's get it started. First of all, sign up for the Stockx newsletter by subscribing. You will get exclusive offers and be the first to know about flash sales and special promotions. Next, check out popular coupon websites like Retail Me Not Honey or Coupons Features.com. This site often lists StockX discount codes. Here you can see that there are a lot of discount codes. There are 50% off, 40% off, etc. You can see. You can also check it out all by just using your browser. Also follow StockX on their social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. StockX sometimes posts special promo codes or announcement limited time sales exclusively on their social media. Also, if you are a student, you might qualify for a student discount. So that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.